Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video, we are going to discuss Theorem 1 of pairs of angles. Theorem is a statement with a specific proof. Theorem 1, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect each other, if two lines are intersecting each other, then there is forming vertically opposite angles. We have to prove they are equal. First, let us draw the figure and we can discuss the proof. So here you see the figure, two lines AB and CD. They are intersecting each other at the point O. So this is the given idea. Two lines AB and CD intersecting each other at the point O. So we can write it. So we have written given two lines AB and CD intersecting each other at the point O. Now you see the figure. When the two lines are intersecting each other, there is forming pair of vertically opposite angles. Which are the pair of vertically opposite angles here? The first pair I have marked here. Which are the pair? First one. What is the name of this angle? This one is AOD. What is the name of this angle? This is BOC. So the pair of opposite angles are AOD and BOC. We have to prove the vertically opposite angles are equal. So we need to prove angle AOD equal to angle BOC. So I have written it here to prove angle AOD equal to angle BOC. Here not only one pair, here is one more pair. Which are the other pairs? I will mark it first. So the other pair also I have marked. What is the name of this angle? This one is AOC. What is the name of this angle? BOD. So one more pair you have it right here, that is angle AOC equal to angle BOD. So what all things we have discussed? First, our theorem. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Then we have drawn this figure and we have written there, given two lines AB and CD intersect each other at the point O. That is the given idea. Then we found what we need to prove. What we need to prove? We have to prove angle AOD equal to angle BOC and angle AOC equal to angle BOD. These two are which type angle? They are vertically opposite angles. Now we are going to prove it. Now you see this figure. I have drawn the part of this figure. What all I think I have drawn here? I have drawn line AB. This line AB I drew here. Then this CD did not draw completely, only the upper portion, that is OD. Ray OD also I have drawn. So line AB and ray OD. Then what is about the sum of these two angles? We have studied it in linear pair axiom. We know the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Which are the angles? Angle AOT, first angle. Second angle, angle DOB. Angle AOD plus angle DOB equal to 180 degree. How we wrote it? We have used our linear pair axiom. So I have written that point here. We have angle AOD plus angle DOB equal to 180 degree. Linear pair axiom. Now you consider this line CD and the ray OB. This part, this line CD and only this ray OB I have drawn here. Now here also you can see two angles, linear pair angles. Which are the angles? Angle DOB plus angle BOC. Their sum also 180 degree by using our linear pair axiom. So we can write it. Which are the angles? Angle DOB plus angle BOC. That is also equal to 180 degree. So I have wrote it together and kept equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is angle AOD plus angle DOB equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Then second one, angle DOB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. The reason is same. Both I kept equation 1 and 2. Now you see this 1 and 2. The right side portion. Here it is equal to 180 degree. Here also it is equal to 180 degree. So both these equations right side is 180 degree. They are equal. So since the right side portions are equal, the left side portions are also equal. The left side of first equation is angle AOD plus angle DOB. Left side of second equation is angle DOB plus angle BOC. So we can write they are equal. So I wrote it like this. From 1 and 2 we get angle AOD plus angle DOB equal to angle DOB plus angle BOC. This is the left side portion of first equation. This is the left side portion of second equation. Now you can see here angle DOB, here also angle DOB. Same quantity on the both side. So we can cancel that DOB from both sides because it is same quantity. So I cancelled angle DOB from both sides. What is remaining here? Here remaining angle AOD. Here remaining angle BOC. So what we get? We got angle AOD equal to angle BOC. That was our question. You see here to prove angle AOD equal to angle BOC. That we proved here. Angle AOD equal to angle BOC. Here one more we have to prove. This one we proved by taking first the line AB and ray OD. Then line CD and ray OB. So if we take another two lines again and with another rays, we can prove this part also. You no need to write the proof of the second portion. We can write like this. Similarly, angle AOC equal to angle BOD. It means proceeding the same steps, we will get angle AOC equal to angle BOD. Hence the proof means we proved it. So this is the theorem. This one is the statement of the theorem. This is the figure of the theorem. This one is the given things in the theorem. Given things, two lines AB and CD intersecting each other at the point O. This is the part what is to prove. This is the proof. This is completely the proof. So a theorem includes statement, given, to prove, figure and proof. So if the question is to write the theorem, you have to write all these things. So you should have to study from the statement till the last step. Hence the proof. Statement, figure, given, to prove, proof. So study it well and write it by heart. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.